In the previous class, we discussed some problems on arithmetic progressions. Now, we continue the same exercise in this class also. We will start the problems on arithmetic progressions. Let us start our class now. Class 9, class 10, class 10, statistics. Not statistics, progressions. 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 In this chapter, we are continuing arithmetic progressions. Problems on problems on arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Write first four terms of AP. This is problem. Write first four terms of arithmetic progression. When the first term A, when the first term A and the common difference D, and the common difference D are given as follows. Are given as follows. Here in this problem, the first term A is given and also the common difference D is also given. We have to find first four terms. Now let us note down the first problem. This is the first problem. A equal to 10, D equal to 10. Tn, nth term equal to, we note down the formula, nth term equal to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now we have to find the first four terms. First term equal to a, it is already given. We have to find T2, T3, T4, T5. So n equal to 2 implies T2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 multiplied by d. This is equal to a plus d. A plus d. So this is equal to what is a? Here the first term a is given, it is 10. And the common difference d is given, it is 10. So a plus d means 10 plus 10, this is equal to 20. Now we write n equal to 3 implies T3 equal to, third term equal to a plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by d. This is equal to a plus 2d. A plus 2d. A plus 2d, here a equal to 10 plus 2 multiplied by the common difference d is 10. The common difference d is 10. It is given. So this is 10. Now we can write this is equal to 10 plus 2 multiplied by 10 is 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. This is equal to 30. Now we write n equal to 4. When n equal to 4. When n equal to 4, we get T4, fourth term. This is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 4 minus 1 into d. This is equal to, we can write a is a plus 3d. What is a? It is when a equal to 10. So 10 plus 3 multiplied by 10. Common difference is also 10 here. So this is plus. We get 10 plus 30. 10 plus 30. So which is equal to 40. This is how we calculate the first four terms. This is, we can note down this as method 1. This is method 1. Now method 2, we note down method 2. What is method 2? In method 2, we write arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. This is a. The first term is a. A. Second term a plus t, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, and so on. A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So we can simply write here a equal to, given a equal to 10, a equal to 10 and d equal to 10. We can write 10 next to 10 plus 10. This is equal to 20. We get T2 equal to T2 equal to 10 plus 10. This because we have a plus t. These two are not different. But without writing this formula, we are not writing this formula. I am just writing comparing with this one. Students need not write this in method 2. So here this is 10. What is the next term? 10 plus 10 equal to 20. What is the next term? 20 plus 10 equal to 30. What is the next term? 30 plus 10 equal to 40. So this is the first term. This is the second term. This is third term. And this is the fourth term. So depending on the marks of the question, that is, if it is given as a very short answer, then we follow this method in bits. So this method is followed for bits. Second method is followed for bits. To answer the bits, we need not write all those steps. So we simply write 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Here I write here how we represent this. This is 10. So plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. This is how we can write the answers for bits. If it is given as for a bit paper, if it is not a short answer question type, then we can answer the bits like this. Now let us consider the second problem in this model. The second problem is a equal to minus 2, a equal to minus 2, d equal to 0. Now we have to write nth term t n equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. This is nth term. This is the nth term. So given this is in arithmetic progression, we are doing problems in arithmetic progression. Nth term formula is noted here. So n equal to a equal to first term, that equal to minus 2, and t2 equal to n equal to 2 implies t2 equal to a plus. Here I can directly write a plus t. A plus t. This is equal to minus 2 I will note down this common difference as 8. So d is taken as 8. I have taken d as 8. So a plus d. This is minus 2 plus 8 equal to 6. Next, n equal to 3. This implies t3 equal to a plus, we can write 2d using this formula. N minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. So I directly write it a plus 2d. This is equal to minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 8. This is equal to minus 2 plus 16 equal to 14. This is T3. Now we calculate T4. N equal to 4 implies T4 equal to a plus 3d, a plus 3d. This is equal to, what is a? Minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by the common difference is, I have taken the common difference as 8. So this is 8. So minus 2 plus 24. This is equal to 22. This is how we calculate. So for bits, we can follow the, for bits. For bits purpose, we can write this is minus 2 plus 8. It is 6. Next, plus 8, 14. Plus 8. It is 22. So this is A equal to T1. This is T2, T3, T4. This is how we can answer for bit paper. In bit paper, we can write in this way without using the formula. We can simply add the common difference. The common difference is added, plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Here this is 8. Now we consider the next problem, third problem. In this, a equal to 4, d equal to minus 3. A equal to 4, d equal to minus 3. Now we note down the formula. These are in arithmetic progression. When in arithmetic progression, nth term equal to Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. This is equal to, now n equal to 2, that is second term. So T2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1. This is 2 minus 1 is 1. So a plus t I can write. A plus t equal to, a is 4 plus of minus 3. This is equal to 1. Next we calculate n equal to 3. That is when n equal to 3, we write T3. T3 equal to a plus 2d. This is equal to 4 plus of plus 2 multiplied by minus 3. Here d is minus 3. So this is equal to 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. And finally we calculate when n equal to 4, we get T4 equal to a plus 3d. This is equal to, a is 4 plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. This is equal to 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9, that equal to minus 5. So we have calculated T1, T2, T3, T4. Already T1 is given. A equal to T1, that equal to 4. We need not calculate this. It is already given. Now, for bit paper, we should not do all these calculations. For bits, for bit paper, we can write it minus, this is a is 4, minus 3, that is 1. Next, minus 3, it is minus 2, minus 3, it is minus 5. It is very simple. For bit paper, we should not write any steps. So this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. A equal to, I write the first term is denoted by A. And next we consider another problem, the fourth problem. A equal to -1, D equal to 1 by 2. That is common difference D is given. Now we write the formula. These are in arithmetic progression. Therefore, nth term equal to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now A equal to T1, that equal to -1, it is given. With n equal to 2, this implies T2 equal to A plus D. This is equal to A plus D is -1 plus common difference is 1 by 2. So -1 plus 1 by 2, this is -1 by 2. So we can write this step, -2 plus 1 by 2, this is equal to -1 by 2. When n equal to 3, we find T3. T3 equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. This is equal to A is -1 and D is 1 by 2. A is -1, D is 1 by 2. So -1 plus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. This is equal to -1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we calculate T4. When n equal to 4, we write T4 equal to A plus 3D. This is equal to, what is A? It is -1 plus 3 multiplied by the common difference D. A equal to -1, D equal to -1 by 2. D equal to 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2, I write it. This is equal to -1 plus 3 by 2 equal to -2 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So this is how we find T1, T2, T3, T4 using the arithmetic mean formula, that is nth formula in arithmetic progression. Nth formula in arithmetic, nth term in arithmetic progression is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. So while solving a problem, we should write the formula. So for formula also, there will be marks. Now for bit paper, how do you answer to this question? For bits, we just note down -1. So -1 for this, we add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So if we add 1 by 2, it becomes -1 by 2. After this, if we add 1 by 2, it is 0. If we add 1 by 2, then it is 1 by 2. Now this is T1, T2, T3, T4. A equal to. So for bit paper, the method is different, and for short answer question type, we write formula and we write the steps. Now we consider the next problem, the fourth problem. A equal to -1, D equal to 1 by 2. We write nth term formula. Nth term, this is an arithmetic progression. So we are talking about arithmetic progression only. Nth term equal to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. So A equal to T1, that equal to -1, it is already given. When n equal to 2, we get T2 equal to A plus D. This is equal to, no, we have already done this problem. A equal to minus 1.5, 1.25, and D equal to minus 0.25. Minus 0.25. So here the first term is minus 1.25. Common difference D equal to minus 0.25. So we write this minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. So this is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.25. This is minus 1.50. Minus 1.50. We write here this step 1.25, here 0.25. So if we add this, we get 1.50. Since there is a negative sign, we have to write the negative sign. Now we find T3, n equal to 3 implies T3 equal to A plus 2D. This is equal to A is minus 1.25 plus 2 multiplied by 0.25. 0.25. This is equal to, this is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 minus, if we multiply these two, we get minus 0.5. So this is minus 0.50. This is equal to, here we do this calculation, 1.25, 0.50. We add these two, we get 1.75. So we write here minus 1.75. This is N3, T3. This is T3. Now, when n equal to 4, when n equal to 4, we get T4. T4 equal to A plus 3D. This is equal to, A is minus 1.25, plus 3 multiplied by minus 0.25. Common difference is minus 0.25. So this can be written as minus 1.25 minus 3 multiplied by 0.25. It is minus 0.5 75 minus 0.75. So by, and this is equal to minus 2.00. We write this calculation here, 1.25 and 0.75. On adding these two, we get 2.00. So we have calculated. This is exercise 6.1. These problems are taken from exercise 6.1. I will write it here. This is exercise 6.1. So you can refer the page number 133. These are taken from textbook only. Page number 133. Students can refer the page number 133. Now we next next problem. This is third problem, third Roman, page number 134. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, page number 134. I am explaining the problems from a textbook only. For the following arithmetic progressions, for the following arithmetic progressions, write the first term and the common difference. Write the first term and common difference. Now in this the first one, first problem, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and so on. So first we note down a equal to t1, that equal to 3. Next we note down t2 equal to 1, t3 equal to minus 1, t4 equal to minus 3. Now let us find t2 minus t1. t2 minus t1 equal to 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. t3 minus t2 equal to minus 1 minus 1, that equal to minus 2. Next t4 minus t3. t4 minus t3, this is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 1. Here t3 is minus 1. So I have written t4 minus t3. This is equal to minus 3 plus 1. This is equal to minus 2. So in all the cases, we can generalize this common difference d equal to tn minus tn minus 1. This is equal to minus 2 tn minus 1. So once again I am reminding, this is from page number 134 of exercise 6.1 from the textbook. These problems are explained from a textbook. Now the second problem. In this second one, minus 5 minus 1 3 7 and so on. So this is arithmetic progression is given. I am explaining the verification part also. That is why I am explaining all the T2 minus T1 here. I am explaining the common verification. This is actually verification part. We don't require for this arithmetic progression. We are doing verification, and then we are writing common difference, so that if any other problem is given in this model, you will identify whether the given problem is in arithmetic progression or not. So let us note down the steps for this problem. So here the first term a equal to t1 equal to minus 5, t2 equal to minus 1, t3 equal to 3, t4 equal to 7. Now we write t2 minus t1. This is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5, because t1 is minus 5. t1 is minus 5. Therefore, we get minus 1 plus 5 equal to 4. Like that, we consider t3 minus t2 also. In this particular problem, this step is enough. I am writing other steps also for some other problems to verify whether the given numbers are in arithmetic progression or not, so that we can decide whether there is common difference or not. So this is t3 is 3 minus of minus 1. This is equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now we consider t4 minus t3. This is equal to t4 minus t3. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Now we write common difference. Common difference equal to d equal to tn minus 1. That equal to, here in this problem, the common difference is 4. So common difference is equal to t2 minus t1, t3 minus t2, t4 minus t3. We can write all these steps. Now let us consider the next problem in this arithmetic progression. Since these problems are very easy, I am not repeating the problems. That is not explaining again. If any student gets doubts, you can send the message in chat box. Now this is the third problem. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, and so on. So this is in arithmetic progression. By just observing this, we can understand that a equal to 1 by 3. That is the first term. A equal to, this is the first term, equal to 1 by 3. I will write here, so that this is first term, this is T2, T3, T4. So now we write T2. T2 equal to 5 by 3. T3 equal to 9 by 3. T4 equal to 13 by 3. Now we calculate the common difference. What is the common difference here? T2 minus T1. This is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is equal to 5 minus 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the common difference. Now we write T3 minus T2, that equal to, what is T3? 9 by 3. 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. This is equal to 9 minus 5 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. In the next step, we find T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3 equal to 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3 equal to 13 minus 9 by 3 equal to 4 by 3. Here we simply calculate only one value in the examination. These two are not required. I am doing here for verification purpose. Now we write common difference D equal to common difference D equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Instead of Tn minus 1, you can write T2 minus T1. D equal to T2 minus T1. That equal to T3 minus T2. You can write any of this. It is left to your choice. Here I am writing the general formula Tn minus 1. Students can write T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, like that for the common difference D. So this is equal to 4 by 3. Now another problem, the fourth problem. So this is page number 134, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. I am writing the fourth problem. 0.6, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. So I write here, this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So we write A equal to T1, that is first term, equal to 0.6. Now we calculate the common difference T2 minus T1. We calculate T2 minus T1. Here we write T2 equal to 1.7, T3 equal to 2.8, 3.9, 2.8, 3.9, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2 T4 equal to 3.9. Here, by saying the problem itself, you will be able to answer to the question. I am writing the steps for examination purpose only. You can understand these problems very easily. T2 is 1.7 minus 0.6. We can calculate, we can do this 1.7 minus 0.6. This is 1.1. 1.1. So this is equal to 1.1. We can write this. We can write the simplification part here. 1.7 minus 0.6. This is 1.1. Now we write T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. What is T3? It is 2.8. 2.8 minus T2 is 1.7. 1.7. This is equal to, here we do calculation here, 2.8 minus 1.7. So this is 1.1. So this is equal to, we can write 1.1. Now we write T4 minus T3. This is equal to, T4 is 3.9. T4 is 3.9 minus T3 is 2.8. This is equal to 1.1. To understand this, I write here 3.9 minus 2.8. So the difference is 1.1. Here we can write the step, the common difference D. Common difference D equal to Tn minus Tn minus 1. Nth term minus n minus 1th term. So this is equal to 1.1. So this model is completed. Now let us start the fourth problem. Next model. We start the next model. This is fourth problem. Which of the following are in arithmetic progressions? Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? That means we should verify all these steps, common differences, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, and all this. If the common difference is there, then we say that the given numbers are in arithmetic progression. Find the common difference T. Find the common difference D and write three more terms. And write three more terms. I am explaining each and every problem in the textbook. This is page number 134. Page number 134, exercise 6.1. Now first problem. So in this first problem, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Now we should verify whether these numbers are in arithmetic progression. Here T1 equal to 2, T2 equal to second term is 4, third term is 8, fourth term is 16, and so on. We find now T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. This is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, we write T3 minus T2. Here we are getting 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So here we observed that there is no common difference. I write one more step here. T3 minus T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3. This is equal to 16 minus 8 equal to 8. So is there any common difference? Students can answer to the questions in a chat box. So there is no common difference. There is no common difference. We write this. There is no common difference. Therefore, the given numbers are not in arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given numbers are not in here we underline this not in arithmetic progression. So this is how we verify each and every problem. Next, the second problem in this model. Second problem in this model. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. So first we note down the terms. First term equal to 5 by 2. Second term equal to, first term is 2. First term is 2. Second term is 5 by 2. Third term is 3. Fourth term is 7 by 2. Now we calculate T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. Students can write T2 minus T1 and write all these differences in chart box. T2 minus T1. So 5 by 2 minus 2. This is equal to 5 minus 4 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Next, T3 minus T2. This is equal to T3 is 3. 3 minus 5 by 2. This is equal to 6 minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Next, T4 minus T3. This is equal to T4 is 7 2. 7 by 2 minus 3, that equal to 7 minus 6 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So without calculation we can understand this. So here we observe that there is some common common difference 1 by 2. Now we write a step common difference common difference d equal to nth term minus n minus 1th term equal to 1 by 2. So in this problem, they ask to find three more terms. Three more terms means here the first term is given. What is the first term? 2. Next common difference is 1 by 2. We have to find three more terms means they have given T4. We should find T5, T6, T7. We should find T5. Now n equal to 5. N equal to 5 implies T5 equal to. So before writing this step, we should write the formula. Nth term equal to Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. A plus n minus 1 d. So n equal to 5. Here n equal to 5 implies T5 equal to a plus 4d. This is equal to a is 2, a equal to 2. Two plus 4 multiplied by d is 1 by 2. So we get 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now we find T6. We find T6. N equal to 6. This implies T6 equal to a plus 5d. A plus 5d. This is equal to a is 2 plus 5. What is the common difference? It is 1 by 2. This is equal to, we have 2 plus 5 by 2, which can be written as 4 plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Next, we find T7. To find T7, n equal to 7. We write this. T7 equal to a plus 6d. This is equal to a is 2 plus 6 multiplied by common difference is 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. So we have written the three terms according to the given question. Now we solve the next problem. This is third problem. Third problem in this model. Minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 minus 7.2 and so on. Now we should verify whether the given problem is in arithmetic progression or not. To verify this, whether the problem is in arithmetic progression or not, we should verify whether there is common difference d. So first we write T1, T2, T3, T4. We write these steps. Here T1 equal to minus 1.2. T2 it is minus 3.2. T3 minus 5.2. T4 minus 7.2. Minus 7.2. Now we calculate T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. This is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. This is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So this is minus 2. Here we can do this calculation. 3.2, 1.2. So the difference is 2.0. Since the minus is there, we write minus 2.0. So next we find T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2, this is equal to, what is T3? It is minus 5.2 minus T2 is minus 3.2. So we can write this as minus 5.2 plus 3.2. So this is equal to minus 2. Here we do this calculation. 5.2, here 3.2. So the difference is 2.0. Minus is there. So we have written minus here. Next, in the next step, we find T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3. This is equal to T4 is minus 7.2 minus T3. It is minus 5.2. So this can be written as minus 7.2 plus 5.2. So this is equal to minus 2. We can do the calculation here. 7.2, 5.2. So here we get 2.0. So minus is there. So minus 2.0 can be written as minus 2. Here in this problem, we observed the common difference minus 2. Therefore, we write common difference D. Common difference D equal to nth term minus n minus 1th term. This is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find 5th, 6th and 7th terms. We have to find 5th, 6th, 7th terms. So we write here A equal to the first term, A equal to minus 1.2. The common difference D equal to minus 2. So we write the formula nth term. Nth term in arithmetic progression equal to Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now we write fifth term n equal to 5. This implies T5 equal to A plus 4D. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. So that is why I have written A plus 4D. This is equal to A is minus 1.2. Minus 1.2 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2. This is equal to, we can write minus 1.2 minus 8. So we write here 8.0, 1.2. So by adding these two, we get 9.2. Here we have negative symbol. So that is why minus 8 minus 1.2. Their addition is minus 9.2. So we write the last step here. This is minus 9.2 minus 9.2. We now find the sixth term, n equal to 6. Equal to 6 implies T6 equal to A plus 5D. Now this is equal to A is minus 1.2. The first term is minus 1.2. Minus 1.2 plus 5 multiplied by the common difference is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. This is equal to minus 1.2 minus 10. So we get minus 11.2. Here we write 10.0 and 1.2. If we add these two, we get 11.2. Here have negative symbol before these two. So we write minus 11.2. Now we find seventh term, n equal to 7. This implies T7 equal to A plus 6T. A is minus 1.2 plus 6D. It is minus 2. This is equal to minus 1.2 minus 6 multiplied 2 is 12. So we write minus 12. This is equal to, here I do calculation here. 12 is written as 12.0 and 1.2. So this is written as 13.2. When we add these two, that is this is negative sign, this is also negative, negative. So we write minus 13.2. This is how we find the three terms T5, T6, T7. Now we solve the next problem. Fourth one in this model, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, and so on. Now we note down, we should verify whether this problem is, these numbers are in arithmetic progression or not. So T1 equal to minus 10, T2 equal to minus 6, T3 equal to minus 2, T4 equal to 2. Now we find T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 equal to minus 10 minus 6. T2 is minus 6 minus of minus 10. T1 is minus 10. So this is equal to minus 6 plus 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. This is 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Now we find T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2, this is equal to, what is T3? It is minus 2. What is T2? it is minus 6. So minus 2 minus of minus 6. So this is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. This is 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Now we calculate T, T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3, this is equal to T4 is 2. Minus of T3 is minus 2. So 2 minus of minus 2 is 2 plus 2. This is equal to 4. So here we observe that all the differences give the same result. So therefore common difference T, common difference D equal to nth term minus n minus 1th term. This is equal to 4. Therefore, the given numbers form a arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given numbers are in a arithmetic progression. We write this step. The given numbers are in arithmetic progression. If these numbers are in arithmetic progression, then we have to find T5, T6, T7. Now we find nth term. Nth term in arithmetic progression, nth term Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we find T5, T6, T7. N equal to 5. This implies T5 equal to a plus 4d. This is equal to a plus 4d. What is a? Here the first term is minus 10. Minus 10 is the first term. Minus 10 plus 4 multiplied by common difference is 4. So we write minus 10 plus 16. So minus here 10 plus 16 is nothing but this is 16 minus 10. We can write it as 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. So the fifth term here is 6. Now we write the next term. N equal to 6. When n equal to 6, n equal to 6. N equal to 6 means we get a T6 equal to a plus 5d. This is equal to, what is a? It is minus 10 plus 5 multiplied by the difference is 4. Common difference is 4. D is 4. This is equal to minus 10 plus 20. That equal to, this can be written as 20 minus 10. That equal to 10. So here we got n T6. Now we calculate T7. T7. N equal to 7 implies T7 equal to a plus 6d. A plus 6d. This is equal to a is minus 10. A is minus 10 plus 6 multiplied by 4. This is equal to minus 10 plus 24. So this can be written as 24 minus 10. So we get the answer 14. We get the answer T7 equal to 14. Now we consider the next problem. And this problem, fifth problem, it is very important problem. Fifth problem, very important. Page number 134. Page number 134. Exercise 6.1. I am explaining all the textbook problems for class 10. So the problem is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. This is very important problem. Now, let us note down T1, T2, T3, T4. So here the first term T1 equal to 3. The second term 2 equal to 3 plus root 2. Third term is T3 equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Fourth term T4 equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we find T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1. This is equal to, what is T2? It is 3 plus root 2 minus 3 minus 3, that equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So we get square root of 2. Here T2 minus T1 is square root of 2. Now we find T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. This is equal to, what is T3? 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2. It is 3 plus 2 root 2. This is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Here T2 is 3 plus 2, 3 plus root 2. So here this 2 gets cancelled. 3 minus 3 is 0. And here 2 root 2 minus root 2. So I take here we get root 2, 2 root 2 minus root 2. So square root of 2 is taken as common factor. In fact, I need not write this step 2 minus 1. This is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by 1. That equal to square root of 2. We need not write this step. We can directly write the difference equal to square root of 2. I just explained this concept. Now we calculate T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3. This is equal to, what is T4? 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. This is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2 minus 3 minus 2 square root of 2. So this is equal to, we get 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2. So square root of 2 is taken as common factor. So 3 minus 2. This is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by 1 equal to square root of 2. Here we need not write these steps. If you understand this concept, you directly write square root of 2. If you have any difficulty in understanding this, then only you should write these steps. Now, we observed that these numbers have common difference square root of 2. So, we write a equal to 3. So, therefore, common difference d equal to nth term minus n minus 1th term. This is equal to square root of 2. Here I write it in a box, square root of 2. So we note down here a equal to 3, d equal to square root of 2. Now we should find, therefore these numbers form arithmetic progression or in arithmetic progression. So the given numbers are in arithmetic progression. They are in arithmetic progression. The given numbers are in arithmetic progression. Now we have to find 5th term, 6th term and 7th term. So I write Tn, that is nth term. Nth term equal to Tn, that equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we write 5th term now, n equal to 5. That implies T5 equal to a plus 4d. A plus 4d. This is equal to 3 plus 4. The common difference is square root of 2. This is it's very simple. It is over. Now, n equal to 5, n equal to 6. When n equal to 6, T6 equal to a plus 5d. A plus 5d. This is equal to a is 3 plus 5, d is square root of 2. 3 plus 5 square root of 2. Now, when n equal to 7, T7 equal to a plus 6d. So, this is equal to a is 3 plus 6 square root of 2. So, this is how we answer to the question. Now, I would like to solve the last problem in today's session, the 6th problem, and this is the last problem in today's session. 6th problem. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. Here we note down T1 equal to 0.2, T2 equal to 0.22, T3 equal to 0.222, T4 equal to 0.2222. Now we find T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. This is equal to, what is T2? 0.22 minus, what is T1? 0.2. So we calculate here 0.22. 0.2 is written as 0.20. So this is equal to, we subtract this, we get 0.02. So here the common difference is 0.02. Students must learn this simplification part. This is also very important problem, very important problem from the examination point of view. From the examination point of view, this problem is very important for class 10. Now, T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. What is T3? 0.222 minus 0.22. T2 is 0.22. Now we can do calculation here. 0.222 minus 0.22, here we write 0. This is equal to, the difference is 0.002. So here we get 0.002. This is the difference. Now we calculate T4 minus T3. This is equal to 0.2222 minus 0.222. This is equal to, we do calculation here, 0.2222 minus 0.222. Here the last, we keep 0 there. So we get here 0.0002. So here 0.0002. So we got the differences, different values. T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 is 0.02. T3 minus T2, it is 0.002. Next, in the next step, T4 minus T3, we got this value, 0.0002. So there is no common difference. There is no common difference. We write this step. There is no common difference. Common difference. So the given numbers do not form a arithmetic progression. Therefore, the given numbers are not in arithmetic progression. So with this, I end the class of progressions today. Dear students, progressions is a very easy chapter, and at the same time, it is a marks scoring topic. It is very easy concept and very important concept from the examination point of view. Most of the students can score marks from this topic only. So if you learn the basic simplification procedures, then you will be able to answer all the questions in public examination of class 10, and you will be able to secure 10% marks if you start preparation from the starting of the year. So you start preparing well from the starting of the academic year. Every day you should concentrate on mathematics. You should pay attention towards mathematics. You spend some time on mathematics to learn and revise the concepts. Every day you try to learn new concepts, and to remember those concepts, you should revise the concepts. Revision of concepts in mathematics is very essential. For that, everyday practice is a must and should for a mathematical student. Thank you all students. Thank you very much.